wet warm-up this morning. He heads row 2 in front of 2 of the Yamahas, Paul Espargaro and Bradley Smith.
Row 3, Scott Redding, Cal Crutchlow and Andrea Iannone. Row 4, Alessio Spargaro, Yoni Hernandez and Andrea Dovizioso.
5th row headed by Maverick Vinales, Stefan Bradl and Loris Baz. Row 6, Jack Miller, Hector Barbara and Danilo Petrucci.
Row 7 for this 20-lap race, Eugene Lafferty, Alvaro Batista. 52 points down Marquez. Yamaha can't take a gamble here, really. I think Rossi will take a gamble. I think Lorenzo may go for the points. What do we know? What do we know about the weather? We may live here. What we do know is that 20 laps of the Silverstone circuit will test these riders to the limit in the pouring rain. Row 12 of the MotoGP World Championship is underway.
Brilliant start from the 2 men at the top of the grid. Jorge Lorenzo's going to get the whole shot into the first corner. Paul Espargaro got a great start from 5th. Paul Espargaro already up into 3rd. Lorenzo leads the way. We've got a couple of fallers at the back. That looks like is that Jack Miller. Lorenzo leads from Marques. Paul Espargaro. Rossi is in 4th. Danny Pedrosa's dropped back to 5th. Bradley Smith started 6th. That's where he is at the moment. Marques trying to hit the front of Lorenzo.
Lorenzo leads the way.
Rossi back up the inside of Marquez on the brakes into Cops corner. Rossi into 2nd place. Lorenzo leads by just under half a second. Spray pouring out from the 2 Yamahas at the front of this field. Rossi now closes right up on his teammate Lorenzo through Maggots and Beckett's. Paul Espargaro still holding Danny Pedrosa off for 4th place. Back on board now with Marquez.
Big MotoGP riders fighting it out in the sun.
Yeah, Lorenzo won't know this is all unfolding behind him, but if this stays like it is, he'll have to give Danny Pedrosa a real big pat on the back at the end of this race, because Pedrosa is putting up a great fight, and these are vital World Championship points up for grabs. Vamos for Danny Pedrosa, come on.
I don't think he can be giving it any more than he is at the moment. Through 10 and 11, they plunge down towards 12. Rossi now closer up this time round. This is where Marquez crashed out on the 2nd lap.
These are a crucial last 2.5 laps for Valentino Rossi in the 2015 MotoGP World Championship. Will he go to Japan? Leading Jorge Lorenzo by 14 points, or will he seize back another 4 points and lead by 18? We're going to find out very soon in the next 5 minutes. He can't get close enough to Pedrosa on this back straight.
Here's Lorenzo into 16, as you say, totally unaware of what is happening behind him. He's not fussed. All he can do is win 25 points. But it is 4 points could be a massive difference when we arrive in Valencia in the first week of November for the final round of the championship. 2 laps ago, Lorenzo crosses the line. 3-second advantage. Pedrosa holds the advantage. Here comes Rossi into turn 1. Now, can he make it stick this time round? No, he can't.
He's in too hot again. He couldn't quite hold the inside line again through turn number 2. So that's the 4th time now that Valentino Rossi, twice at turn 1, twice at turn 4, he's got through, but he's come under instant attack again from Danny Pedrosa. He's not close enough for a lunge at turn number 4.
3 times now he's led the way. 3 times Pedrosa has fought back. They're up at the top end of the circuit. They're coming up towards turn 7. 1.5 laps to go. 2 great Grand Prix riders fighting it out. No quarter arms, no quarter gimmick. If there's any better motorsport than this, I've never seen it.
Rossi now close enough to be lining up a pass on the brakes down into turn number 12, where we saw Marquez crash early on in the race. Valentino Rossi, if he gets through though on Danny Pedrosa here on the brakes down into turn 12, will he just get blasted back on the back straight by the power of the Honda? Is Rossi close enough? They know what this 4 points means in terms of the World Championship. Rossi wasn't close enough to attack at turn 12. He's not close enough at 13. It's going to be a dramatic final lap for 2nd place.
Pedrosa still leads the way through 14. Then they're going to flick it left, coming onto the back straight, and this is where Pedrosa has the advantage, and this is where he will have the advantage on the last lap. Pulls away from Rossi once again as they race down this 1 kilometre long straight towards turn 16.
Rossi is going to have to try and make a move on Danny Pedrosa at turn number 1. He's tried it twice already and failed. He runs in too hot and then runs wide, allows Pedrosa to sweep back through. Jorge Lorenzo starts the last lap. A 5th Grand Prix win of the season coming up for Lorenzo. Now here comes Rossi. This is a crucial first corner. He's not close enough. Danny Pedrosa really late on the brakes. Will it be all about turn 4, turn number 12?
Through turn 2 they come. Not the end of the world for Valentino Rossi if he finishes third, but he wants those 4 World Championship points. He's lining him up now. Here comes Rossi up the inside. He's made it stick this time. There's nowhere for Pedrosa to go. He's slammed the door in his face, Valentino Rossi. Pedrosa knows those. He's got the grunt out of turn 15. Listen to the crowd. Here comes Pedrosa again up the inside.
Brilliant from Danny Pedrosa. Rossi off left foot off the foot peg. He was almost leaning there on Danny Pedrosa. This is as aggressive as we've seen Danny Pedrosa for many a year. Valentino Rossi now has lost crucial ground in this fight for second place. Pedrosa in charge. He comes through turn number 9.
I think that is it. Yeah, I think the second half of the lap is where Danny Pedrosa is so strong. Valentino Rossi has given it absolutely everything, but this is as good as we've seen Danny Pedrosa ride for a long, long time.
As good and as aggressive as we've seen for a long time, because that move at turn number 7, there wasn't a lot of room up the inside of Valentino Rossi, who thought he'd made second place secure with a great move up the inside of Pedrosa at turn number 14. Rossi now, it's going to be a lunge up the inside at 15. Pedrosa will cut it back though. It's going to be a horsepower shootout down the back straight. The Honda will be the favourite. Rossi looks like he's blown it.
Yeah, he couldn't do any more than what he did there, Valentino Rossi. Pedrosa surely is going to finish in second place. At the start and finish line, they prepare for the arrival of Jorge Lorenzo. Pedrosa is going to finish in second place. Oh, what a battle. Jorge Lorenzo.
Like here.
He's out here in Mugello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is! Petrucci's dream is realised. He is a MotoGP winner.
tập hai tú ta tập ta về hai giá tú ta ta một ta hấp hấp ta ta hai tú ta 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 tú hai tú hấp hấp ba tú ba tú ba ta tú ta 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 tu ta tu ta tu ta ta tu ta